Hi, this is Lisa and Mr. Happy from BlueStarMinis.com. Alright, this is Happy, little boy, a blue merle. Look at him. He is gorgeous. He is the only little boy in his litter. So we have 7 sisters he gets to put up with. He loves them all, though. He is a lover. He's pretty much kind of, I would say, kick back, very caring. Got a sweet little personality. He does have blue eyes, and I'm pretty sure he's going to keep those blue eyes. Yes, show them those pretty blue eyes. Yes. Look at that. He's as sweet as could be. Yep. Huh. He is a happy little boy. Yes. He is. Yes. Yes. He's beautiful marked. Look at that. Look at all that. Oh, look at all that pretty coloring. Yes, there. See the tail? Oh, look at all that pretty little coloring. Yes. Huh. Yeah, I got a pretty little tail. I got a pretty little tail. Do you got a pretty little tail? Yes, you do. Huh? Say if you want to see me or my siblings, you can go to Blue Star Minis. Say we're also on TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, X, YouTube. Yes. He's stunning. Got some pretty copper coming in. He was born with a lot of copper too. Yes. Yes. Loves tummy rubs. He loves his cuddle times. And he loves to share puppy kisses, huh? Yes. I love to share my puppy kisses. Showing the back. Yes. Oh. Yes. Say, I'm a good boy. I am a good boy. All right. You ready to say bye-bye? You ready to say bye-bye? Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye.